that loud snoring coming from? I knew it. It's Jackie that's snoring very loudly. Jackie, please, roll over. I'm trying to sleep. You know I snore very soft. Right, oh brother? How am I going to get some sleep with Jackie snoring?
Are you tired with loud snoring?
Yes, I am.
Then try why snore.
Hey, who said that? Am I snoring too loud?
Yes, you were, you idiot. That's why you needed why snore.
Introducing why snore. The first no snoring drops in just a couple of drops. You won't believe your ears.
That's better. Peace and quiet. I'm going back to sleep.
Why snore? Where there's no snore,